I'm excited to show you the process behind my latest do-it-yourself project, swapping out these old, outdated, and unsafe railings for a sleek new cable rail system. Let's dive in and get started. I removed all of the old railing setup and replaced a few boards that the old setup damaged. Then I gave this entryway a much-needed fresh coat of paint to help lighten the space up. Excited to share that I have partnered with Cable Bullet to be able to show you their cable rail system firsthand. First thing I did was make sure there was a stud where I wanted to place the cables into the wall. Once I had my location, it was time to use their guide and drill the holes. Next, it was time to mark where the post would go. I used a square, then marked where I needed to pre-drill. Then I pre-drilled the holes, put in the screws, and then used their leveling system to make sure that the posts were plumb. These awesome little plates covered up the screws to give a clean, nice, finished look. After that, I installed the cable rail tensioner kit for these metal posts, and I also cut to length and installed the handrails. I love that this is a beginner do-it-yourself level project, and that it can be customized to fit each person's individual house needs and style. Check out the after video and see for yourself how the new cable railing system instantly updated our space. If you have any questions on this project or about the system, let me know by dropping them below.